Welcome to the Bootstrap project. In this video series, we are going to build this website. And this website, let's have a look on this website. At the top, we have this navbar is sticky to the top position. After that, we have this header and a background image. After that, we have this section, about us section. And here we have this block code element. And here we have this image. After that, we have this contact us form, and here we have our Google Map. And this section has a background image, and it is also sticky to the position. After that, we have this services section. I just have added a single 6 services, and I have copied and pasted the same text here. You can add as many as services you want. After that, I have this pricing section. We have different types of pricing for different types of users. We have $5 per month for beginners and for intermediate and for the professionals. And then we have this footer. And this website user is built with Bootstrap 5, and it is completely responsive. Let me show you what I mean. Here we go. All the columns stack on each other like this. This contact us form and this goes on top of each other, and this section also stack on each other on small devices, and this services section also stack. And after that, we have this pricing looking beautiful, and all our menus goes inside this button. Let's start building this website from the next video.